Okay, here we are at the gas well on Tuesday, August 21st. We're fixing to take our run. Weather's nice. Good day for a turbine to run here. Everything's looking good. At the gas well over here. Gas line there. We don't have a man manning the gas well yet.
You guys ready?
Everybody's ready. Russ low there at the gas well.
Alright, here we go.
We're fixing to go test run. Her actually fired up for the second time here and see what's happening here. We had to charge the batteries from yesterday and get this thing going. So this is Tuesday, August 21st morning at exactly 8 o'clock a.m.
Oh man! Brad!
What happened? Everything looks good so far?
8 seconds ignition.
8 seconds ignition? That's good. It's a lot quicker.
Got fuel.
Got fuel. Ignition. Torch. There we go, baby. All right. Let's check the oil. The oil leaks. Something's coming out on the other side. I seen something coming out of here. I didn't know what it was. Okay, we're down. I don't know what's happening here.